Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluetooth is not working in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your Bluetooth is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to go to your settings. If your device on Bluetooth is already paired but you are facing issue with connecting, so you can try to disconnect your device. Just click on these three dots, click on remove device. Once the device has been removed, click on add device, then Bluetooth, and then just select your device from here and it will reconnect. So it might fix your issue. If it still not fix your issue, go to Windows Update, try to update your Windows, go back, and here you just have to press Windows plus R and then enter services.msc. Enter this here, then press OK. Now just wait for some loading. And here you just have to look for Bluetooth support service. Right click on it, click on restart. So it will restart Bluetooth service. So if there is any Bluetooth service error, it might be fixing this step, and after that you will not get this issue again. If you're still facing the same issue, so go to search again and here to search for device manager, and here you just have to look for Bluetooth. Expand it and right click on the first driver. So let's search automatically for driver and it will update your driver. You just have to do the same thing for all of your drivers, and once you have done, it will completely fix your issue. After doing that, you just have to restart your PC, and after restarting, you can easily use your Bluetooth without any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.